Love is timeless, and Valentine's Day is the perfect time to celebrate that love. But what happens when a beloved timepiece stops ticking? The memories it holds may fade, but with My Jewelry Repair, those memories can live on. Have your timepiece restored to its original beauty and precision so you can continue to make new memories with the ones you love. Don't let a broken watch tarnish your Valentine's Day. Restore your cherished timepiece and make it a symbol of your everlasting love. My Jewelry Repair, timeless love restored.